Hi guys, it's Candace. I can't tell if my phone's recording. Yes, it is. Okay, sorry. Jake, just hold on. I just wanted to show you this. Literally, I threw this together. A cat journal that I'm donating for a Spay and Neuter fundraiser today. And I just wanted to flip through it so you can see what I did, or actually so I can remember what I did in case, I want to do another one. This is one of those gift bags. And then, oh gosh, the kit was from MyPorchPrints, Kitty Love or something like that. Playful Kitties, I'm not sure, but I made a little booklet with some scraps because that's what it said to do with that. And then just the extra tag. Just a little, overlay pockets and some of the little journal cards in here. I know I did not do anything extra special because honestly did not have time. It was definitely a, oh my gosh, throw it together rush kind of thing. I'm looking to see if I have anything to put in top of here so they know that that's a pocket too. And I don't even know if anybody who's doing this even knows. Oh gosh, and then the dogs need to go out. Okay, hold on. So anyway, we have this little tag, and this was these little journal tags were in the kit to make, so I did that. Took the little coin envelope, made a little flip here. Took this envelope, made it a flip with the little tuck. And then attached it over here so it's a little tuck spot on this side. Took the belly band, used the little some of the ephemera pieces and just made the belly band out of it. These pockets are supposed to be triple pockets, but I just did 2 pockets because 3 was too much for me. I know. And then just this little journal card and little kitty overlay. And then just put some tickets in this fold out. It has some pockets. I just put some extra journal cards in there so they can kind of know that you're supposed to write. Because, I don't know. Anyway. Oh, I shouldn't have agreed to this, but I did. So, and then this. And hopefully they'll see that this comes out. I know. No strings, no pulls, no nothing. No time. Oh my gosh, and I glued this to here. Oh, snot monkeys. Well, we're going to have to trim it off. Oh, crap. See? You cannot hurry. And I told my friend that I just didn't think I could do it. And she's like, oh, you can do it. And I'm like, oh, no, I can't. Anyway, oh, come on. Well, all right. So, there's an extra journaling page. Oh, my gosh. It came with all the tabs and stuff, so I just kind of scattered them around. And like I said, it's got a lot of journal cards and stuff. So I just, oh, I know, I can't believe, and my hand hurts, my thumb's still hurting, and I just, oh, oh, look at that little kitty. Anyway, I know, cute, but I had to film it, and I'm late bringing it to her, but oh well. Tough titties. Said the kitties. I know. Don't. Oh, but anyway, and then I just, did overlays on all those just so there was room for tucks. And like I said, I don't know. I hope someone understands this because I'll be upset if it goes for $5. Oh, because it's a silent auction thing on top of it, and I hate that because it's too much work for that. But I will ask my accountant how to use this donation as an expense. These are just some extra parts for the kit that I did not have time to fussy cut out. And then, this is the envelope. Oh, and this is 3 little tags, a little foldy out thing. I know these are in there sideways. Gives it character. Oh, and then this little page. I know I was trying to, I wanted to do a combo one, but my printers are down, so I'm like, this is all I got. So, oh, anyway, that's that little kitty. And in that pocket, like I said, that's the third one of the other one. I was just too many pockets on one page for me, well, with what papers I have. So, and then I did just a little one here for that belly band. And then I put some extra stuff in here. This just literally is another envelope in here. It just has, I mean, just a handful of stuff. And then I tucked this little journal card that came with the kit in it. And like I said, if I had time, I'd chop these up, put them in there, but there's plenty in here already. And this little pocket. Oh, and then stamped it. Oh, I know. Isn't it the cutest little kitty? And then just, this was the extra ticket that was on there. And then these were the extra little tabby, other three. It comes with 3 little jars. Like I said, if I was doing, I'd have some pop drops and sequins, all kinds of stuff, but I don't have time. So anyway, I know that's the fastest thing in the world that I've done. And obviously I can do it, but I don't like doing them like that. But let me tie this bad boy up so I can brush my hair, get in the car, and drive it over to her friend who's going to bring it to her, and all that good stuff. So there we go. I hope you enjoy this quick and easy, fast little flip through. Bye, guys. Kisses, love, all that good stuff. Bye.